Our philosophy is Perennialism, and our philosopher is Robert M. Hutchins. Our key points from the article is first that basic education is ideal and everyone should take four main courses, which include English, science, math, and social studies. Second, the human mind needs to expand and everyone learns differently, so other ways of teaching should be provided. Students should be able to do what interests them. Teaching one to read is different than teaching them how to understand what they are reading. And lastly, there must be a reconstruction of education in order to reconstruct our civilization. The benefits from the article is that there is a potential for solving problems in any era. Nobody should be excluded. It should not be assumed that everyone is incapable. Teachers challenge students to use critical thinking and emphasis on humanities. Our criticism is it is impossible to tell whether the attempt to educate everyone can succeed. This is due to the fact that it has never been tried before. It is not very flexible, discards technology, and structured lessons and drills. We also added a quote from the article by Robert M. Hutchins that we as a group felt kind of did an overall summary of the article, and that is that we have been so preoccupied with trying to find out how to teach everybody to read anything that we have forgotten the importance of what is read.